Airshow fans, it's big kickoff for Jack Links and John Platt Airshows. See none of Mr. Dell Coller. Fly the Jack Links Extra 300L. The Extra 300L certified two-place aerobatic aircraft built by Walter Extra in Germany. They'll get things warmed up. Dell Coller, crew chief and builder for the one-of-a-kind Jack Links Jet Wackle. John Platt will be flying later this afternoon. A one-of-a-kind aircraft. Get things warmed up this morning. Now diving in from Airshow right on the top speed, about 220 miles an hour. Now pulling up into the vertical. Rolling on the way up. This aircraft with a roll rate of over 360 degrees per second. During Dell's performance this morning, Dell will be experiencing up to 7 positive Gs and 3 negative Gs as he hangs in front of the straps momentarily before rolling back into the upright. Dell, an experienced aviator with logging over 5,000 hours, getting a start as a crew chief on a C-130 in the Delaware National Guard before transitioning into the corporate role, flying various aircraft, earning his airline transport pilot certificate with a type rating in a Gulfstream 5. At Airshow Center, diving down, make some noise for Dell Coller, getting things warmed up for John Platt Airshows and the Jack Links Extra 300L, tumbling end over end, showing you some unique characteristics of the Extra and its aerobatic capability. Rolling back into the upright from Airshow right. All day long we invite you to stop on by the Jack Links booth where you can feed your wild side. Jack Links is the #1 U.S. meat snack brand, producing over 110 different products. Stop on by, down towards Airshow left for the C-130 to get your free sample of Jack Links. Dell Coller works Airshow Center now, rolling on the vertical line. Just cast off. Up on top, smoke is on. Working back correctly for that wind angle. On crowd wind here today, these guys making the corrections. Pulling back of the vertical, there's those positive Gs. The difference between positive and negative. Positive Gs, all the blood forced down to your lower extremities. The negative, that's just to the opposite. On the airspeed, Dell the torque roll now, backing it up 30, 40 miles an hour before swapping ends, tail for nose. Showing you the roll rate of the Extra 300. Now the ball of the spiral, up and over. Point the nose straight down, he'll turn off that last one. Some airspeed and energy. Working at Airshow Center. Control inputs opposite from the inverted position to push up over the top. Dell Coller putting the Extra 300 through his paces. 1240 Jack Platt will be flying the one-of-a-kind and only, the Jack Links Jet Wackle, affectionately known as the Screaming Sasquatch. Great to be back here at Quonset where we made our debut with the one-of-a-kind aircraft. From the left, give him a big wave as he comes by. 400 miles an hour. There's that roll over 360 degrees per second. Back in the Don't forget to stop on by the Jack Link's booth to get you a free sample. Sasquatch running around out here today. That's it for us this morning, Matt John. We'll be back later this afternoon with the one-of-a-kind Jet Wacko, affectionately known as the Screaming Sasquatch.
All right, hey, is Sasquatch here?
He is. He's out running around.
You know who else is here? There's a T-Rex back there that I saw this morning.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, we'll have to get Sasquatch and the T-Rex together for a picture, maybe. All right, Sasquatch is here, everybody's here, and you know who else is here? Major Morris is here from BMA 223 to tell you all about this next airplane. Major Morris, you have a Harrier down there. You're also a pilot, aren't you?
That I am, yeah.
You're gonna be able to narrate this next little. This airplane's kind of like Superman. It just takes off and flies by itself from a dead stop. It's amazing. Tell us all about the AV-8B Harrier from your United States Marine Corps.
Will do. Thanks a lot. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. At this time, the 2nd Marine Aircraft Wing takes great pleasure in presenting the AV-8B Harrier, the world's premier vertical short takeoff and landing V-stall aircraft. This tactical airplane was jointly produced by the United States and Great Britain. The Harrier II is currently flown by the United States Marine Corps, the Spanish Navy, and the Italian Navy. Because this aircraft can take off and vertically land from short airstrips or roadways, it can be based in areas inaccessible to conventional tactical jet aircraft. The Harrier's payload and radius capabilities are comparable to any attack aircraft in the world. The AV-8B offers significant improved ordnance delivery and accuracy over previous generations of the aircraft. The Harrier, as it's commonly called, was introduced into the Marine Corps as part of the 2nd Marine Aircraft Wing in April of 1971. The first Harriers were AV-8As. The aircraft you'll see performed today is the AV-8B Harrier II Plus, a greatly improved version of the AV-8B. It is built by Boeing and powered by a Rolls-Royce Pegasus II engine developing 23,400 pounds of thrust, or about 35,000 horsepower. The Marine Corps has 5 tactical Harrier squadrons and 1 training squadron.